How to plank exercise. If you watch your diet and participate in regular physical activities and want to have a toned and flat tummy, what exercise should you add to make that happen? Can you guess what type of exercise you need to make that happen for you? The answer is plank. If you watch your diet, planking will almost guarantee you a flat stomach. Planks are generally regarded as the best exercise you can do for your body. It is convenient to do since you can do it practically anywhere. You don't need any special equipment, and you can always make it more challenging by holding your plank for longer. But the most critical benefit of planks is that it engages all your major muscle groups. The plank exercise is mainly used to strengthen your torso. That involves not just your abdomen, but also your back. By doing this regularly, you can improve your posture, develop a stronger core, and correct some balance issues. Beyond the core, the plank pose also helps strengthen the muscles around your arms, neck, buttocks, and legs. Additionally, it will make your hands, wrists, ankles, and toes stronger. And do not be surprised if you start noticing some six-pack abs developing the longer you do plank exercises. The key is holding your plank for a longer duration from 180 seconds and above. The longer the better. There are two basic types of planks. The first is the standard high plank, and the other is called a forearm plank. Here's how to do each of them correctly. Standard high plank. Place your hands right below your shoulders and keep your arms straight. Tuck your toes under and ground them into the floor. Keep your legs straight and close together. At this point, you should be holding up your entire body weight with only your hands and toes. Ensure you keep your glutes from dropping to the ground and that your neck is neutral to avoid strain. Once you get the position right, breathe normally as you hold the plank until your timer runs out. Forearm plank. Bend your elbow and hold yourself up with your forearms. Make sure that your elbows are right below your shoulders. Tuck your toes under and ground them into the floor. Just like the standard high plank, you'll also need to keep your legs close together with your knees straight but not locked or hyperextended. You know you have the right form when your body resembles an actual plank. The line you form from your heels to the top of your head should be a gradual incline. Be mindful of your butt so that it doesn't sag down, and also keep your neck neutral. Don't bend it down or gaze up to keep from straining it. Once you get the position right, breathe slowly and evenly as you hold the position until your timer runs out. The high plank and forearm plank basically offer the same benefits to your body. Choosing between the two will mainly be based on what you prefer. No matter which one you choose, make sure you challenge yourself. Start with 15 seconds and gradually lengthen your hold until you can hold it for at least 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes is better than 2 minutes, and 3 minutes is better than 2.5 minutes. You get the picture. The longer, the better. There is some debate as to whether there are advantages to holding this position beyond the 2-minute mark. At that point, it might be better for you to make it even more challenging by turning it into a compound exercise. My answer to that question is, yes, the longer the better. However, it must be all proper form, from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, it is no longer a plank exercise. Also, keep in mind that it is only safe and beneficial when done with proper form. So don't challenge yourself so much that you compromise your form or even your breathing. Nevertheless, the longer you can hold your plank, the stronger and more defined your muscles will be, including a flatter stomach. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.